Most people spend their lives chasing money. But wealth isn't built by chasing, it's built by following rules. Today, I'll share 7 timeless principles to build long-term wealth without trading stocks. Most people don't fail financially. They follow the same patterns over and over again. That's why you rarely see real wealth. It doesn't make noise, it compounds quietly. This is Smart Income Lab, a place focused on long-term wealth and smart strategies that actually work. Wealth isn't built by luck or by chasing every new opportunity. It's built by following a few timeless rules consistently. These are the 7 rules to build real wealth. Rule number 1. Spend less than you earn. This isn't about how much money you make. It's about how much you keep. Without this rule, no strategy works. Rule number 2. Pay yourself first. Most people do the opposite. They spend first and save what's left. Wealthy people reverse this. They save first and live on the rest. Rule number 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Every time income goes up, most lifestyles go up with it. Bigger phone, new car, higher bills. That's not progress. That's just a more expensive trap. Wealth doesn't come from looking rich. It comes from staying disciplined when you could afford more. Rule number 4. Invest in skills first, because skills create income. Rule number 5. Think long-term. Real wealth is not built in months. It's built over years. When you stay consistent, time starts working for you. Patience isn't waiting. Patience is compounding. Rule number 6. Build multiple income streams. When one door closes, others are always open. True freedom comes from knowing your stability doesn't depend on a single source. It comes from yourself. Rule number 7. Consistency beats perfection. Every small step you take, no matter how tiny, builds the path to lasting wealth. Keep going, even when it's hard progress, not perfection. No shortcuts. No hype, just smart money habits. True financial freedom isn't flashy. It's built quietly, one wise decision at a time. Don't miss out. Subscribe to Smart Income Lab and unlock actionable tips and tools to take control of your financial future. Your journey to smart, lasting wealth starts here.